This is how Pro Tools looks on macOS. This is the edit window, and this is the mix window. Look how good it looks. So let's see how it looks on Windows platform. Yes, this is how it looks on Windows platform. It's ugly. Look at those bluish title bars. Look how screen wasted here. And if you count the title bar, that's a lot of screen waste. I wrote a simple tool, but before I introduce that, first let's talk about how can we maximize our screen usage for Pro Tools. First thing I do is hide my taskbar from here and here. So my operation system language is Turkish, but you can find it through the last option here and the second option here. So it's hidden now. We gain a lot of space from just doing that. I prefer using it on the left, so I'm taking that to there. If you have multiple monitors, you should know how you can use that space. As you can see in the bottom right corner that I have a second screen. So to use that space, I have to get my cursor to the corner of the Pro Tools window and expand it until it matches my main screen's width. Then expand it further from bottom to my second screen's bottom. So yeah, we expanded it. Now we can put our mix window or any other desired window to the bottom and double click its title bar to make it fit the whole screen. And because I made my taskbar to hide automatically, it will not take any space. So let's allocate our main screen to the edit window. Now, and this is how to solve the multi-monitor setup. But we still have these bluish title bars and screen space wasted here. So let's open my program. So I have two versions of this program. So the first version is legacy color schemed version, and the second version is the new color schemed version. They are identical, so I'm going to use the new color schemed version to demonstrate what it does. So it has 7 different buttons for 7 different tasks. So in order this program to work, you have to first open your Pro Tools session. After you opened your Pro Tools session, like this one, this is test 2, you have to capture the edit window and mix window sections. So to start, you need to capture your edit window. So as you can see, it said capture success. So if I want to capture my mix window, I'm going to click the capture button and then go immediately to go and hover my mouse to the mix window. Let's say capture. I'm hovering my mouse on the mix window and it said capture success. After the success capturing, you can make them borderless. As you can see, their borders are gone. You can revert those changes and do that again. If you want to remove the main window, the Pro Tools window title bar and the menu bar, you can make them here. You can revert them, don't worry. But the program has to be open throughout your Pro Tools session. There's a warning. When the program hides the menu bar, it copies it to the memory. And then, if you press revert, it gets those bar and replaces it here. You can hide both. You can only hide title bar. You can only hide menu bar. You can do whatever you want. Now, if you want to get the most screen real estate from Pro Tools, you should hide both bars and reorganize your windows to match the missing parts and then make them borderless. Now I got the most screen real estate that I can get. Let's revert them. So, if you want to close your session, you should revert all those settings and close this program and close your session. or just quit from the Pro Tools. So there is a trick. When loading your session again, you may see this title bar stuck under the menu bar, or like that, menu bar or title bar, and you cannot reach the blue bar, the title bar of the edit or mix window. You can just quickly come here, arrange and tile vertical, and now they are vertically aligned and you can access their title bars. So this is how Borderless Pro Tools works. So if you want this tool, I'm putting links to the descriptions so you can download there. And there will be a post in the Avid forums, and probably I will put that link to the description as well, so you can follow the updates and upcoming features and post your bug reports there. If you have questions, just leave them in the comment section below.